Your screams are pain as you run into a wall. Not so good. So don't run. Next, for those lacking the intestinal fortitude to finish our little walk of horror, please. If you must know, there's an emergency exit about halfway through.
But you look like a brave bunch. Surely you'll make it all the way.
Maybe.
One more thing. Be prepared to scream.
You go first. No! Don't pull on my hat.
Wait, this is like a haunted
doll.
It's like a haunted house, right?
Oh yeah, watch the steps.
No, I don't want to go first.
Well, you know that there's no scares on these things because, you know.
Yeah, they can't scare you upstairs.
I'm sorry.
You're good. I'm just afraid.
Oh, it's your skirt. I'm gonna say, what's on my thingy? So smart of them to use up this space.
What is it?
It's just under the boardwalk.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's why it's called FrightWalk, under the boardwalk.
Wait, there's people in this, right?
Oh yes.
Oh crap.
They're Aussie humans.
I'm so scared.
Oh man, I'm missing stuff. Like there's that Indiana Jones stuff, and I saw a whip.
I'm afraid. Don't. Make sure I don't look back.
Elevator. Ooh, look at. Like, God, I want this so much. I don't know, one of these. Let's say, crooked door. Oh, look, this one. It's a lit up. Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? No, I'm not sure. Ooh, velvet something. Oh, it's scared. It's a
I'm scared. It is really dark in here.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta go back. No alarm. Beep. Oh, I love it so much. That was awesome.
So is it that one then?
Well, we didn't go with this one.
I'm scared.
Oh, I thought you really gonna get lost. Oh, this one says this away.
It could just be another roundabout one.
No, this one looks like where to go. I see spiders.
Oh, they're having a fun time. Oh, no, I hate this. Ah!
Oh, I think my nails. I love it.
Oh, I'm scared.
Well, it is a FrightWalk, or maybe there aren't any. I don't know. Whoop.
I hate it. It feels like this.
Sorry, that's a corner. My hat. Oh, my hat. Ooh. Oh, that was loud. Sorry. Ay. Way too loud. Ooh. Scared. Down. Get us down.
I'm scared.
More flaps.
Yeah, you leave there because I cannot see anything.
Ooh, I think I see a rope. I don't know. Hopefully no more of that loud air in my ear, though.
Yeah. I'm scared, Mama.
That creepy noise is me, actually. Ooh, I like.
Clicky.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Sorry. Oh, I love it. Sorry. Okay, I'm like, are you a person? You know, I wouldn't be surprised though. Can you imagine a haunted house where they nabbed the person with you and then held onto your arm?
Oh, no, I would cry. I would cry and scream.
See, that's okay. That's not like super high pitched. I love it. Ooh, crystal skulls. Neat.
That's cool. Is that you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry. Ooh, mirrors.
No, you're. Oh, God, no.
Ew, that one's filthy. Don't touch
I
it.
hate mirrors. I'm not gonna look. I can't look. No, I can't look.
Ow. Oh, my hand went in between those two.
I can't. I hate mirrors.
No, I see myself. Okay.
I hate mirrors. I can't look.
I'm waiting for it. Feel something on the other. There we go. No. Yeah. Oh, that's open. Whoa, look at here. Can we go there? I don't know. Oh, yeah, we gotta go there. It's our friends. It's our friends. Oh, I love it. Oh, wait. Amy in here. Get off. There you go. Oh, it's a sea witch.
That's so cool.
Which way we go that way?
I don't know.
Ah, whoopsie.
I think we go this
That's
way.
open. I don't think you're supposed to. I don't know.
I think we go this way.
Okay. If we went the wrong way, we just go back around. See, I want to have it big enough so I can do the up.
Oh,
No.
wait, oh, wait, right here.
There we go. Do it. Do it. Ooh. There we go. Creepy.
Okay, there's an opening over there, so. Not very cool.
Hey. Dad, I need to wear my hat like this. There we go. I think they make light when we get lost. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Still, it's too loud though.
It's a wall, sorry, I ran into a wall.
Oh,
Sorry, I ran into a wall.
okay. It's choking me. Not you. My hat. Oh, I'm deaf though. I am deaf. I think the people behind us are running to the. Ooh, look.
I'm scared.
Nature. So just be careful. I think people are running behind us.
Oh.
There's the exit. Ooh, look at. Oh, wait, no.
There's the
Oh,
exit.
no.
Wait, there's the exit. We're halfway through.
I see something I don't like.
What?
Come on, you see it, right?
What? No. Oh,
That.
God. Oh, no.
Okay. Hold on to the handrail. Close your eyes.
Yep.
Okay, we ain't looking.
Oh, no,
Don't
I
look.
can't. I looked.
Don't look. Okay, we still got a long way to go. Okay, it's done. Woo.
Oh, I almost fell over.
Creepy clown eyes. Creepy clown eyes. Ooh, ouch. Ooh. Some head people. Oh, yeah. Woo. That's scary.
Oh, God.
Ah.
I feel this.
They're not still behind us, right? Because I want to enjoy all this.
Me too.
Okay, maybe not flip that much. Oh, it was just mirrors. I thought it was bigger. It's okay. I still love it. Oh no, V is going into the doll area.
God, no. I hate this.
Oh, you got a sensor right there, so I'm gonna have. Oh, killer clowns! Yeah! I love it. Somebody probably got spit on it. That was horrible.
How long is this?
I think I see sunlight. I think you're free.
Oh, thank God. So afraid. I need someone behind me. No.
Okay.
I'm so afraid.
Plans or something. Excuse me. Ooh, look, it's bats and spiders or
I
something.
think so.
Okay. I think.
Oh no, it's more. Hi, buddy.
Hi, dog.
I like the
No?
smell in here.
Wow! Oh no, come back. Here. I want to do it again.
Oh, let me go.
Okay, okay.
Let me go first.
No, okay, well, you know what? Oh, he turns around too. Like the whack.
Okay, I'm gonna stay right here.
Ah!
It's actually horrifying.
I love it. Ah, it's, sorry, it's low. Low hanging
Please be out, please be
plants.
out, please be out. I don't want to be in here anymore.
That's a clown fart machine gun.
Green was only for rides.
Woo!
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sorry about that. Oh, okay. Where do I go? Here? Where do I go? What? Okay, this one. Wait, is this a wall? I think this is the wrong one. Okay, go somewhere. This one. Okay, this one. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Where's your blood pressure? I can't see nothing. Oh, wall?
Are you going this way?
I don't know, yes. Wait, I'm
Where am I
scared.
in the front?
I don't know. I'm scared too. Oh my god. Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh. I'm scared. I can't see anything. Oh, over here? Over here? Over here? That's scary, please. Okay. I don't like this. Where's the scare? Okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's giving me peace that there's no people in here. Just us. Oh, it's okay, over here. Ah, I'm on the wall. Okay. I don't know. Oh, it's me. It's me. Okay. Do I go over there? Oh, yeah, over there. It's us. Okay, that's good.
Where we go?
Oh, we're in that thing. Ah, ew. I'm in. I'm going through. Ew, this is so good. Okay, over here. I'm guessing over here. Okay, there might be a scare. Be ready. Be ready. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Okay, go. Okay, over here. Okay, there's that guy. Might be a scare. Ew, I don't like that. There's something happening. I'm overstimulated. Okay, look at the. When does it end? Oh my god. Okay, keep going. Oh my god. Okay. I don't like. Ooh, wait, we're going to. This is cool. Wait. Oh my god. Whoa. Stop looking at me. Oh, look, mirror, us. Wow, okay. And then, ew, look at. What is this? Oh, we're in the fog. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a mirror. Okay, we're walking right here. I think that's us.
Oh, okay.
Ow, I hit something. Ow. I'm hitting stuff. Oh, I like clowns. I like clowns. I like that. Whoa, halfway! We're halfway now! Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate this thing. I should have known. Oh wait, exit, okay.
Hey, hey, hey.